Hey everyone! So, have you heard about the Kelly Clarkson pink salt trick? Supposedly just a few simple ingredients, and you'll drop weight faster than you can blink. Sounds amazing, right? Well, I saw this ad on Facebook, and it shows a woman in her kitchen making something with cucumbers and talking about a magical drink. The ad promises to reveal a secret recipe that melts fat like crazy. Alright, let's see where the link actually takes us. Maybe we'll get that secret recipe after all. The site looks just like the ad, barely any real text, and a giant video front and center. At the top, there's a huge headline screaming, "Better than Ozempic and Manjaro combined," and right under it, a video that takes up almost the whole screen. Scroll a bit further and you'll see what look like Facebook comments from happy customers, all talking about insane weight loss with zero effort. Now, about that video, it's long, really long. At first, the progress bar moves quickly, so you think the secret is coming any second. But then it slows way down, dragging you through endless dramatic storytelling. Scientists discovering a breakthrough, doctors supposedly hiding it, celebrities swearing by it. You keep waiting for the part where they actually tell you the recipe, but it never comes. Surprise! The secret turns out to be buying a supplement called LipoBurn. We've seen this exact setup before. A few months back, the same kind of fake video claimed Oprah Winfrey was using a pink salt trick, same formula, different celebrity, and it's always some supplement, Slim Shape, Slim Burn, Burn Jaro, different names, same scam. If you do stick it out and watch until the end, a hidden section appears. Suddenly, they're hitting you with special offers, huge discounts, and a timer counting down. You'll see official looking badges like FDA registered and 100% natural ingredients, none of which are verified. And at the very bottom, there's a disclaimer that basically says, everything you just heard is not backed by the FDA and doesn't actually diagnose, treat, or cure anything. Translation, all those big promises, just words. So, did we ever get the recipe? Nope, because there isn't one. The only real trick here is getting you to buy their overpriced pills. And about those reviews, the promo video, and the site show dozens of glowing comments claiming thousands of happy customers. In reality, LipoBurn has 0 reviews on Trustpilot, 0 on Amazon, nothing. Pretty strange for something they say has changed over 87,000 lives, right? Meanwhile, if you look at their other product, Burn Jaro, it's sitting at a perfect 100% one-star rating on Trustpilot. And here's my favorite comment from there. There is no pink salt in this miracle pink salt trick. Buyer beware. Bottom line, this is just another fake celebrity, fake recipe supplement scam. No magic drink, no silent revolution, just a sales funnel designed to drain your wallet. Thanks for watching, and remember, if it sounds too good to be true and it involves a secret nobody will actually tell you, it's probably a scam.